Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the lecture 5 of HCI series. So we are learning about human computer interaction and usability is the topic for now. So usability is a characteristic of user experience. So as we know, all the computer based systems have UI integrated in them, so there will be a experience for user in every piece of software, right? So, and the usability, as we recall in the lecture 4, it is the ease of use plus usefulness. So these are the two main things you're gonna focus in the usability of a system. And if you are able to implement the usability in a good way, then your user experience of that system will also be good. So there is a direct relationship between a usability and the user experience of a software system, right? And the next line says, whenever you develop a system, focus on these questions. What are the questions? What can this system do? So what you are developing, you should be super clear about the objectives of what you are doing and why you are doing it, right? So there shouldn't be any vagueness in the requirement or anything like that. And how can you develop it? So what technologies you will be using in order to develop your software, and what are the possibilities? So uh, till what extent it can go further, right? So think about that when you are developing a software, and make sure to proper follow the steps for that, like make diagrams for data flow and things like that. And what is being done as of now? So if there is any current solution for the problem you are doing or developing the software, so review that, because maybe you can get some idea from there, right? And what will be the change caused by your system? So what will be difference as a solution which is being used now, or and between your developed solution? So what will be the change that will be caused by your system, right? Then there is a concept of quality of a system. So how we can say we have achieved the good quality of the system? So it is generally the idea that when you meet the specification, or you complete all the requirements of the system, then you can say I have achieved the quality to develop the software, right? And but the main catch here is requirement should be defined super correct way, in a super correct way. So if anything goes wrong in the requirement definition phase, you cannot achieve the quality in any sense, right? So that is the main thing in the quality requirements. So that's it for the lecture 5, and I will meet you in the lecture 6 of HCI. Thanks for watching.